So today I'm going to be showing you how to make raw vegan raspberry chocolate truffles. This one is so easy to make once you have all the tools in your toolbox. It is oil-free and sugar-free. It sounds difficult, but trust me, you can do this in 10 minutes and you are going to love it. It is kid-friendly and it's a wonderful treat for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So to make this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my shredded coconut in the bottom. I'm going to use 3 dates. So these just help it to stick together that much better. And I'm going to pour my dehydrated strawberries. Go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. It's going to help it to stick. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to form it into little truffle balls. So you just grab a handful and it's going to take a couple times of molding it together with your hands. So just be patient, and that's about the perfect size. Okay, so now we're done with the first step. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put these in the freezer while I get ready and we make the chocolate sauce. Now when I make the sauce, we're going to use dates, cocoa powder, raw vegan, and I'm going to use almond milk. Now the kind of almond milk that I found in the grocery store that I prefer is called malt milk. This one has no additives. It is literally only almonds and water. I really don't like to use guar gum personally, and I find that guar gum is in most nut milks, so this is a good choice. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the dates in first, followed by cocoa powder, and we have the almond milk. About half to 1 cup. Okay, so the next part is I'm going to dip the truffles into the chocolate. Now they're cold, so they're going to easily dip and roll in the chocolate sauce. Watch. So the last step is you're just going to put this into the freezer for 15 more minutes before you serve. I'm just going to put some coconut. So on here you can choose whatever toppings you like. I chose some shredded coconut, some cacao nibs, and some crushed almonds, and I topped it off with some dehydrated strawberries that I crushed up. And here you have the fully raw vegan chocolate truffles. I hope you try them at home. They're so easy to make and they're absolutely delicious. I'm going to try one right now. Look at that. It's perfect.